What if I told you that you could use the world's top paid AI tool like ChatGPT 5, Google Gemini 2.5, Grok 4, Google Nano Banana, and VEO 3 for free and without limits? Sounds impossible, right? Stick around. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to access these tools legally on your smartphone or PC and how to generate unlimited images and videos as a bonus. If you think I'm bluffing, watch until the end. If this helps you, smash that like button and subscribe so you don't miss future tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for LM Arena. Click on the first link that appears. Don't worry, I've also added the website link in the description below. Once you're on the website, you'll see the dashboard with a section that says Find the best AI for you. Here, you can access and use all the premium AI tools completely free. Basically, this website was created as a testing platform for new AI models before they're released publicly, which is why it's currently free to use. Now look at the top right corner of the dashboard. You'll see a login button. Click on it and sign up using your Gmail account. Once you're signed in, you'll notice a welcome back message on the dashboard. Next, go to the top left corner and click on Battle. From the options that appear, select the third one, Direct Chat. On the right side of the Direct Chat page, you'll find AI chat tools for scripting. Tap on it and you'll see several premium AI tools like Gemini 2.5 Pro, Claude Opus, GPT-5 High, Grok 4, and many more. And if you think I'm making this up, let's test it out. Choose the GPT-5 model, then type your prompt under Ask Anything. For example, I wrote, act as a professional horror scriptwriter. Write a 2 to 3 minute cinematic horror ghost story set in a creepy location, like an abandoned house, forest cabin, or haunted motel. The story should have a strong hook in the first 10 seconds, rising suspense, and a shocking twist ending. Use vivid sensory details, short dialogues, and camera or sound cues, like camera pans to the door, or heartbeat grows louder. Keep the ghost's backstory tragic or emotional, and end with a chilling final line that leaves the viewer speechless. Then simply hit generate and watch the magic happen. You can see that it's now generating a much better and more professional script. If you scroll to the top of the output, you'll notice the model used is GPT-5 Chat. Still not convinced? Let's test another one. I'll select the Grok 4 Fast model, paste the same script prompt into the Ask Anything section, and hit Generate. As it's writing, you'll see it says Grok 4 Fast, and the result it produces is amazing, with proper camera movements, scene breakdowns, and detailed narration. Now, let's check out Gemini 2.5 Pro and see what kind of result it gives. Just paste the same script prompt and click Generate, and there it goes. Gemini 2.5 Pro also delivers a high-quality and professional script, complete with character actions, scene details, narration, camera movements, atmosphere, and even an emotional twist. I've only shown you 3 models so far, but as you can see, there are many more top-tier AI models available. And the best part is, you can use all of them completely free. Now, let's talk about unlimited image generation with this tool. First, click on Battle again, but this time choose the second option, Side by Side. On the right side, you'll see 2 separate sections. This feature is designed to compare 2 different AI image generation models so you can test which one performs better. Before we start, make sure to scroll down and select the image option at the bottom. This ensures we're generating images, not text. For the first model, I'll select Seedream 4, which is currently very popular for producing professional, high-quality images. For the second model, I'll choose Ideogram. Honestly, I didn't believe this site would let me use the Ideogram model for free, but it's real. So go ahead and hit that like button for this one. Once you've selected both models, paste your image prompt into the box under Describe the image, and then hit Generate. It might take a few extra minutes since the tool is free, but trust me, it's worth the wait. When the images are done, you'll see the results side by side. On the left, Seedream generates high-quality, clean images, but personally, I prefer Ideogram because its outputs are more detailed and look incredibly realistic. And if you want to download any image, just tap the download button. It'll save directly to your phone or PC. Now, you might be thinking it only allows 2 or 3 generations, but that's not the case. To prove it, let's generate a few more images and see just how unlimited this really is. Now, let's switch things up a bit. I'll change the prompt and hit Generate again. And just look at that. The image quality is absolutely outstanding. Let's test out some other AI image generation models too. This time, instead of Ideogram, I'll select the Nano Banana model. And instead of Seedream, I'll go with QN. Then I'll paste the same prompt and hit generate once more. Within a few minutes, you'll see it produces some of the best AI-generated images I've ever seen. Here are a few more examples of images I've created using different AI image models. And honestly, I'm really impressed with the results. Each one has its own unique style, details, and quality that make them look truly professional. Now, let's move to the final part of this video, where I'll show you how to generate AI videos using the VEO3 model. First, go to the top left corner and tap on the LMA Arena logo. Below it, you'll see two options, New Chat and Leaderboard. Tap on Leaderboard and you'll find an option called Text to Video. Go ahead and click on that. A new interface will open up. In the top right corner, click on Visit Arena. This will take you to a Discord page. Just tap Accept Invite and join the Discord server. It might ask a few quick setup questions. You can answer them however you like. Once that's done, click Finish. Inside the Discord server, you'll see several channels like Video Arena 1, Video Arena 2, and Video Arena 3. Choose any of them. For now, I'll go with Video Arena 1. In the message box, type a slash, and you'll see commands like /help, /report, and /video. Select /video, then paste your video prompt to start generating. Once everything's set, hit send. Before the video starts generating, it'll ask you to confirm. Just tap agree, and then wait a few minutes. Since many users are creating videos here, it can take a little time. But once it's done, you'll get your AI-generated video using the VEO3 model completely for free. Once your video has been generated, but you can't find it even after scrolling, just go to the top right corner and click on the search bar. Paste your script there, and you'll instantly find your two AI-generated videos in different styles. Watch both versions, pick the one you like best, and hit download to save it. In the same way, if you type a slash and select /image to video, you can upload an image, write an action prompt, and generate a full AI video, completely free. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you're facing any issues or have questions, feel free to drop them in the comments section below. And don't forget to join our Telegram channel, where I share some paid AI tools for free. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!